Welcome to Education PNG YouTube channel. Today we will look at solving this question on indices. Before we go on, hit the like and subscribe buttons to follow along. Now let us begin to solve this problem. Step 1. Find the value of x. The equation is, open parenthesis 5 to the power of x, close parenthesis, squared, equals 5 to the power of 14. Step 2. Identify the exponent rule. The left side has a power raised to another power. The power of a power rule states, open parenthesis a to the power m, close parenthesis, to the power n, equals a to the power m times n. In other words, when a power is raised to another power, we multiply the exponents. Step 3. Apply the rule to the left side. We have open parenthesis 5 to the power x, close parenthesis, squared. Using the power of a power rule, we multiply the exponent x by the exponent 2. This gives us 5 to the power 2x. So the equation now becomes 5 to the power 2x equals 5 to the power 14. Step 4. Equate the exponents. Since both sides of the equation now have the same base of 5, and 5 to the power 2x equals 5 to the power 14, the exponents must be equal to each other. This is because if a to the power m equals a to the power n, then m equals n, as long as it is not 0 or 1. So we can write 2x equals 14. Step 5. Solve for x. We now have the simple linear equation 2x equals 14. To isolate x, we divide both sides of the equation by 2. This gives x equals 14 divided by 2. Step 6. Simplify the result. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Therefore, x equals 7. Step 7. Verify the answer. Substitute x equals 7 back into the original equation. The left side becomes open parenthesis 5 to the power 7, close parenthesis, squared. By the power of a power rule, this equals 5 to the power 7 times 2, which is 5 to the power 14. The right side is also 5 to the power 14. Both sides match, so the solution is confirmed. X equals 7. Thank you. Don't miss out on more videos like this. Subscribe to this channel or become a member to this channel by subscribing to membership.